Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Earth Zoom Out AI video on Higgsfield.ai. You do need premium for this. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see it under top choice, which is the Earth Zoom Out. Select it and then select generate. Here are the examples of the videos. You can also see the prompt here. That's the first one. Second one. There's a lot of options too. Zoom it in from a really green landscape or from this deserted place. I don't know. And then this too. Just a bunch of options. And then this one's from the city. Select which one you want, press generate, and then add your image here. You don't need to put out a prompt and select generate. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.